what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a new video for you guys. It's another unboxing. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to provide you guys with more videos that I promised, but I promised they will be coming soon. I went out of town, so I wasn't able to film anything. I was busy getting everything ready to go out of town. I was packing and all that stuff, so I wasn't able to sit down and do a video, but there will be reviews on foundations and some makeup looks that's going to be coming to my channel soon. I promise you guys. So yeah, I am going to be unboxing the Allure beauty box for July. I did June and May box uploading. You guys could just check that out. And yeah, so this is going to be my last box for a while. I paused my subscription because I have so much makeup coming in. I didn't think it would be so much, and I haven't had a chance to use my makeup that have been coming in, that I've been showing you guys. So I put a pause on my subscription box with Allure for now until I'm able to, you know, use the makeup that I have and basically do videos for you guys. So I paused that, so I would not be getting the August box. I'm not sure when I will be able to go back on the subscription, but yeah, I absolutely love this beauty box subscription, and we're gonna get into it. So this is the little pamphlet that they send you when you get your new box. I haven't went through this yet. It came in the mail. I wasn't even in at home when it came, so yeah. So for this month, I guess the idea of it is called The Little Things. So yeah, I'm not really sure what is in here, but this is the pamphlet. So I guess we're just gonna go in the box and see what is in here. It looks like there's some cool stuff. It looks like they're mostly like skincare. So yeah, it looks like it's just mostly skincare stuff. So I guess this is the time to take care of your skin. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with the first thing in the box. The first thing is this thing right here. This is a, what is it? This is a serum. It's by Peach and Lily. So it says glass skin refining serum, luminous and translucent. It has peach extract and pipette complex. So this is cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and it is vegan. So we're just gonna reopen it. So this is the packaging for the serum. This looks really cute. This is white with a peach lettering, and it says glossy, transparent, poreless skin is achieved when skin is well hydrated without inflammation and free radical damage. A revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, I don't know how to pronounce that, wild yams, don't know that word, and hyaluronic acid help to hydrate, calm, brighten, and firm skin. Crystal clear glass skin is yours. Pat onto clean, dry skin. Can be used AM and PM daily. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, so it's just like a pump, and then you just pump out the serum. It's really cute. Cute bottle. Can't wait to try this. This is one of the full size that I received in this box. I'm super excited to use this. Like I said, the last serum that I received from Allure was really good. I love it. So I can't wait to use this one to see what it does. So we're going to move on to the next thing. So the next thing that I have is this Ocean Cleanser by OSEA. I think that's how you pronounce it. So yeah, this seems interesting. It says mineralized and balanced, so it's a balancing cleanser. I love balancing cleansers. It says normal, dry, and combination skin. Organic seaweed cleansing gel removes surface impurities and excess oil. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliate to minimize appearance of pores. Love that. Lime, cypress, and Jupiter energize the skin and awaken the senses. Seaweed provides mineral-rich hydration, leaving skin balanced, refreshed, and radiant. Okay, it says massage onto damp skin and rinse with warm water. Removes makeup morning and night. This has a lot of claims that I love. It says minimizing pores, the appearance of pores. It energizes your skin. provide hydration, skin balancing. It's refreshing and radiant, and it removes makeup. Like, that sounds amazing. This is what the bottle looks like. They gave me a 0.6 fluid ounce bottle, which is a sample size. So yeah, it's for all skin types, normal, dry, and combination. So anyone could use this. Let's see how it smells. It smells like, kind of smells like the ocean, I guess, if that's a thing. It smells really nice. It's not a bad smell to it, but can't wait to use it and see how that works out. So the next thing I have is this butter lip and cheek balm. It's from this brand that I cannot pronounce. Beauty Beauty. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is the packaging. You guys tell me how you pronounce this. So yeah, it's a butter lip and cheek balm. Oh, I have not been telling you guys how much these product retails for. The first one, the Peach and Lily serum, that retails for $39, and I believe I have the full size for that. The Ocean cleanser, it's $48, and that was a what do you call it, a sample size. And this is the lip balm, which I believe is a full size because it's just a pot. And this is $16. So this is the what is this, a butter lip and cheek balm. So this red color. This is what the cap look like, and that's the name of the company that I cannot pronounce. But yeah. Okay, I thought it was going to be more pigmented than this. So it's like a nice light blush color. It's honestly not giving you that much pigment. So I can see how this could use as a cheek and lip balm, so can't wait to use that. So the next thing in this box, I was super excited to see it in here. This is a brand that I know of, and I know it's an expensive brand, and I personally would not buy it for myself. It is a skincare brand, and it's the Sunday Riley moisturizing cream, ice moisturizing cream, and this is it. I'm so sad they gave me this a small sample, but I can't wait to use it. It smells really good. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure that's a good amount. A lot should go a long way with this product. So yeah, I honestly don't know much about this, so I'm gonna open up the pamphlet and try to see if they have any like information on it. So I just read some information on it, and this they call it ice because of the consistency and the smell of the moisturizer. It looks like and feels like Iceland, so I'm gonna see icing, like icing you put on top of a cake. It's a vanilla scent. It is thick. They were not lying. It is thick, and this is more for like hydrating dry skin. So it smells so good, and I could definitely feel the thickness of this. A little goes a long way. It's so moisturizing. Can't wait to use this. Sometimes I do get some dry spots, so can't wait to use this on some of those spots to, you know, hydrate it. And yeah. So the next thing that I have in this box is this charcoal pore care mask. They always give me masks. Absolutely love when I get a mask. So yeah, this is a charcoal daily skin mask. It detoxifies and tightening pores. So just a sheet mask, and yeah, can't wait to use this. They always supply me with a mask. I'm super excited for that. So yeah, I can't wait to use it. This is $3 for this one mask. Oh, for that Sunday Riley moisturizer for the full size, which is a 1.7 fluid ounce. So it's not even that much in the regular full size, and that is $65. When I say Sunday Riley is expensive, it's expensive. I'm super excited that I received the small amount that I did, so I'm super excited to use that. And this is something I receive, which is, I think, it's a bonus item in here. So I received this acne cover patch. It's just a patch that you cover your acne, if you have any like what do you call it, acne that decides to pop up on your face. So you have two 10mm patches, four 12mm patches, and you have two patches that are 14mm. So it's 8 patches that are in here. They're clear. So yeah, I haven't had really bad acne in a while, so anytime one of them decides to pop up, can't wait to use this and see how it works. So that's a bonus in here. So yeah, that's it guys. This is all of the item I received for my July Allure box. Like I said, I will not be receiving a August box. I'm not sure when I will be back on the subscription because like I said, I haven't had the chance to try out all the makeup that I've been receiving lately. There's so much more videos that I've planned to do, but I haven't had the time to do it. So I put a halt on my makeup subscription just so I could use the makeup that I have, and I will definitely be back on the subscription. Not sure when I will be back on there, but when I do, you guys will see a unboxing of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you guys have tried, anything that you guys swore by or like, let me know. Anything you guys want me to do a video on and tell you guys how I feel about it, definitely let me know. So yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.